Come and join us today as we celebrate the grand opening of Stella Nova Hotel over at Universal Studios. We're going to show you everything they have to offer here at this value resort. We're going to show the food, entertainment, the room, and of course the views from Epic Universe.
Alright, today we're at Stella Nova Hotel.
The opening day.
We're going to show you all the amenities here and what else?
The hotel, sneak peeks at the park too.
Yes, of Epic. See what views we can get of the
see
park.
What we find. See what they got.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
This was our first time driving over here and getting so close to Epic Universe, which opens May 22nd this year. We've never been so close. Usually our views come from Icon Park over in their big Ferris wheel. And you can get a stay as low as $120 at Stella Nova, and right across their building, the Terra Luna, which we're also staying at, but I'm guessing it's going to be pretty similar to each other. Right here is the bus stop that they're still working on. You can see the Mario Kart building, Donkey Kong, which will have early park admission when we do go, and we'll be covering all of Nintendo. That is where my heart is at. My daughter is super excited for the dragons. She knows all the kinds of different dragons, characters, everything. So make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be doing a lot of deep dives in each land. And just seeing how everything started out as dirt, watching all the construction updates, we are truly just so genuinely happy to see what this has become. We're just like kids, little kids, big kids. We can't wait till Epic Universe opens. We do have tickets and a stay at Helios, taking advantage of the early park admission when that opens up the first week. But look at the colors. It's so pretty. And we do have a stay at, this is the Stella Nova, and we have a stay at the one across the street too. And for the opening, they did have special characters, so we'll be covering Terra Luna. Hopefully they do the same thing. And I am going to show our meet and greet after we take a room tour. We were on the 8th floor and we had a pool view room, and unfortunately it was just way too cold in January. It was around 40 degrees. There was no way we were going in that pool. Oh, we have a view of SeaWorld. Okay, that's where we turned in at. When we go to Terra Luna, we'll do the pool. But it is cold.
You mean this?
We can go to either one. I think they're the same. It's just like it's just a big pool and a hot tub. Some people are in the hot tub. These work for early park admission. You don't get express, but you get early park access.
Wow.
So it kind of opens and blocks us.
Opens up. It smells brand new because it is.
Yep, we got the extra blankets and sheets.
Nobody has slept in here yet.
Bye, buddy. Let me show what else is in here, goofball. We have the safe, we have an iron. It's the same kind of stuff as the other hotels.
Yeah.
We have a whole playlist on all the hotels at Universal Orlando because we have stayed at every single one. We also have a comparison on all the value resorts. I would say for the location only, this is the best value resort, but our favorite is still Cabana Bay. Just the theme, the vibe, and the lazy river there. There's more amenities and things to do. And thanks to Theron, I got this video clip with everything you need to know travel. He has an amazing page. He's always quick with updates too. But this is the view from an Epic Universe view room. When we booked, we had booked the pool view, and when I asked to switch, they said it would be a downgrade, so I went ahead and just kept our pool view because honestly you don't know what kind of view you're going to get. You can get a great view or some sort of side building view. And when we do stay in Helios, I for sure booked the Epic Universe view, so stay tuned for that stay.
As usual.
We brought waters and snacks, but we are going to be getting food. They have a little coffee maker, ice bucket, plugins, and USB ports.
It also hides away.
There you go, nice. For room service, which we'll get pizza later. I did hear that you use your phone for the remote, so that's kind of cool. Sink with towels and tissues and soap, and the toilet. Yay for toilets. They have a nice stand-in shower, and they have the shampoo and conditioner. There's the shower head. Looks like a nice waterfall one. And they have the Galaxy. It kind of reminds you of Guardians. They have like almost looks like a mushroom. And the lime clock. You can see SeaWorld back there and the convention center. So we have like a skyline of SeaWorld. They did give us this. I'm sure you can download it online, but it has all the amenities on here. We're gonna see where the game room is. The fitness center, we already see the pool from here in the hot tub. I guess there's a fire pit down there. They have a free shuttle that runs the shuttle about every 10 minutes or so to the parks. There's a cafe. We're gonna show the cafe and the market and all that. So that's the map. Walkway to, okay, it says walkway to Epic Universe. How exciting. We're gonna go downstairs and check out the food, the merch, who else is out, go say hi to some of the performers, some of the character meets. So this view is from the 9th floor. Anybody can go all the way down the hallway after turning left out of the elevator to get this view. You can get a good view of Isle of Berk from How to Train Your Dragon, Nintendo Land, Helios Hotel, and Frankenstein's Manor at Dark Universe. You couldn't really see the Wizarding World of Harry Potter from this angle, but if you go to Theme Park Stop, they have really good videos from aerial footage up above and drone shots that show all the progress of all the lands here at Epic Universe. Let us know which land you are most excited for. For early park admission, we're going to have access to the Nintendo rides and the big dueling roller coaster there, so that's where we pretty much have to start out. This is the premier hotel, Helios, but they won't have express perks right away, I've heard. We'll keep you up to date with as much information as we can and as much times as we can go this year. And then on the 3rd floor, they have this cute little tunnel here. I guess it's due to how the hotel was constructed. They couldn't do a whole lot down this hallway, so they just have a little lighting effect. Basically, it's just cute to get some pictures. Hi, Guy Diamonds! We got a dragon with us. Yep. We got Stormfly. Yeah, he likes to fly too, I guess. Are you gonna go to Isle of Berk too? Hopefully. Hopefully you guys can travel. Yeah. We're so excited.
Thank you, Guy Diamond.
Thank you. All right, say bye.
Playing those good tunes.
Oh yeah. Gave him a hug. He wants to say bye too. High five. Hug time. Pretty much everything you need is downstairs. You check in at the lobby. There is the bar right behind there, and the character meets were next to the bar. And my husband took some pictures of the menu. We're not big on drinking, but some of the cocktails were $16, beers were $11 to $12, and these cool astronauts were out for the opening.
Yes, I can tell you guys are excited for Epic, correct?
Yes. Do you guys have a favorite dragon?
Favorite dragon? Do you have a favorite dragon?
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh my goodness.
Toothless?
You took that? Am I correct? And Light Fury.
And Light Fury.
Yes.
Light Fury, yeah.
That's awesome. What about you?
Which is your favorite dragon? Zippleback?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good one too. Alright, let's go do the store tour real quick. Universal Studios store. I don't know if they're gonna have any specific hotel merch. Yeah, so far I see Epic. Oh, he's one of the ones from Fantastic Beasts, I think. Whoa. I know. Oh, I love the back. Oh my goodness, they have new stuff.
Ooh,
It's like soft.
like felt. Wow, he's big.
How much is that? That looks expensive.
Wow, he looks
Can I
pretty
get
good
this?
too. I don't know. Look at the bottom of it, sweetie. It's 53.
Oh, that's not bad.
I was just gonna say.
Hold on,
What
let me
does it
show, like, a
do?
close-up. It's probably just like a figure of him and Toothless. Aww. But you have that one already.
It has batteries, so it does something.
That's a bag and that's a
Oh, it has
blanket.
his flame sword too. Push to activate sound, light, and wing movement.
It's 63. That's cute. That's cute. That's 16. Yeah, you put your little pass or ticket in there maybe? Last time we were there, he wasn't. I want to get that too. That's really cool.
Donkey Kong shirt.
Nintendo stuff, which some of that is at the Epic Preview Center. This was the first time we saw this Dark Universe merch. It's different from the stuff that we saw at the Epic Preview Center, at City Walk, and Universal. But you know there's going to be a ton more to come when it opens in May. And we did like these Mario shirts that had all the characters, but I noticed it was see-through, so I'm not sure how it looks on a person. But I usually get my Mario stuff on Amazon, honestly, and it's a little cheaper. And this was new to the Ministry of Magic merch. Now we're just doing a quick show around here, but I know there's probably some videos that go through every single item and price. The only thing we really ended up getting was Vanessa got a Toothless blanket and the Toothless shirt because she is on a dragon collection. And we've seen this Epic Universe merch before. Now for the How to Train Your Dragon, it was basically Toothless. I hope when the land opens they have more dragon merchandise like the other dragons in the movies. And I did ask a worker, they do not have any Stella Nova specific merchandise, which I noticed in most of their hotels they don't really really have anything like that except for Cabana Bay and Portofino Bay. Hard Rock too, but the other hotels, there's quite a few of them that don't have any merch. And finally, pens, lanyards, keychains, things like that up at the front. Lots to choose from. He's like so well behaved. Look at the doggy. They wanted to see the dog again.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have a question. What's his favorite snack?
He when he's on Earth, you mean?
Okay,
When
yes.
he's here on Earth?
Yes.
He really likes hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Chicken.
And chicken. Oh. Hot dogs and chicken. Okay, and then when he's on the planets.
When he's on the planet, what does Frank eat on this planet?
Pork? Okay. Oh, maybe some aliens that you guys catch? You guys catch any aliens lately? Oh, no such thing. Okay.
We're gardeners.
Oh, so you must be very busy with the new hotel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why there's no other reason at all.
Okay.
Nothing to be worried about. And
So,
definitely
okay.
no follow-up questions should be asked.
Okay, got it. All right, let's get a picture with the gardeners and the dog. Thank you. Good job out there, guys. Thank you. Yeah. All right, the market looks like it has beverages, ice cream, grab-and-go stuff. I think this is where the Starbucks is, too. Oh, there's wine, there's kids' juice, there's beer. Where? Oh, yeah, the cup. The cup is the only thing.
There is the merchandise right there. And it is...
I forget how much he said it was, like 20 bucks or something. Yeah, they have like grab and go stuff, and then the market's on the other side. All right, so there's yogurt parfaits, salads, fruits. Looks like alcoholic drinks. Oh, they got my tea, chocolate milk, water, vitamin water, juice, ice creams too. Maybe we can get that later. Banana nut muffin, chocolate muffin, croissants. So I think you order from there and then you pick up over there. I got salads, soups, the grill. They've got a Stella burger or pumpkin, a pickle fried chicken sandwich, pulled pork sandwich. They have different pizzas, grilled cheese. Where's the mac and cheese? I can street
Right here,
corn.
very
Oh, okay.
cheesy.
It's French fries, sweet potatoes, sweet stuff, beef bolognese, butter noodles, cheeseburger, cheese pizza, chicken tenders. Okay. You guys want a kids cheeseburger or kids mac and cheese? Branch and Poppy were meeting, and earlier they said the Minions did come out, but Branch and Poppy you can actually meet at DreamWorks Land over at Universal. All right, I got the chicken sandwich here. It's a pickle chicken sandwich. Looks really good. The fries and this mac and cheese looks really good. Kids cheeseburger. Rick got the falafel salad, added chicken, so that was 15 plus another 5 for the salad, but it does look good. And then the kids mac and cheese you can see is a little bit smaller than the regular side mac and cheese. We really wanted to like it here. Unfortunately, about half of it wasn't great and half of it was. But there's plenty of better places to eat at the park, which we do have a list we just did a video on. You can tell that this chicken sandwich is like kind of burnt. It's really hard to bite off.
Let me try.
What do you think of your falafel salad so far?
It's good. I mean, the best thing here was the mac and cheese.
Yep, that's the winner.
This stuff here was just dry. It was overcooked. It's hard as a rock. Falafel should be crispy, but that's like a nugget. That's like a rock. And that's the most driest stuff I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, it wasn't good. I wanted to like it. I really did.
I never seen such a dry chicken sandwich in my life. It looks like the oil has not been changed, and today's the very first day. But to me, that looks like the oil has not been changed in a long time. In my experience as being chef, it's definitely overcooked.
Yeah, it's hard to bite and pull. The burger's actually not bad. If you're gonna get something here, get the burger or the mac and cheese. So the mac and cheese is the winner for sure.
Yeah, it's good.
I wouldn't get some of the other stuff unless they get better about how they cook things, because it's just a lot of stuff is overdone. Game room, fitness, and activity room is on the first floor towards the lobby. Let's go check it out. So Superstar 2 basketball, Mario Kart. Yeah, it does. Jurassic Park, Unbox the Fun. Air hockey. Candy Crane House. Oh, they have that VR thing that they played, or something similar at Andretti. I do like the Mario plushies. That's fitting. $15, 60 credits. Okay. I want the big Yoshi. Thanks for, yeah, you're right. It does say closed, so I can't tell how much they are.
Is enormous.
The arcade said it was closed, so unfortunately I couldn't tell how many credits were each game. And usually at the pool they're gonna have these kind of things, but because it was cold and rainy, it was all inside, so that was nice. They also had some really cool coloring pages like Volcano Bay, Islands of Adventure, Mario. So we ended up coloring for a while and letting the kids play downstairs. They had the Barbie moving playing, and earlier they had Despicable Me. There's Buddy Boys coloring, my coloring. Pumpkin's working on her beautiful artwork. Oh, sorry. Oh,
Master!
good job. Oh, I don't know about that. Oh. Okay. That's literally gonna.
Wouldn't do that if I were you!
Ta-da. And then we went upstairs. We did order room service, and they have a nice selection. They have salads, pizzas, which are 10 inches, ranging from around $13 to $15. You can add meat. They have different sandwiches, desserts, and beverages. You can even order alcohol to the room. So we ended up trying 2 different desserts. One was the cheesecake with the berry compote. My husband really liked that one. And then our favorite, my kids and myself, preferred that chocolate cake. It was actually really nice and moist, not too much icing. And then we shared the Biondi pizza, which I wanted to try something different, and the kids always like a classic cheese. The Biondi kind of tasted like seafood though, so I would just stick with like cheese or pepperoni personally. And we did get the remote to work, but there is an actual remote in the room, or you can use the phone. They have a lot of channels and a few different apps that you can log in yourself. I wanted to go outside at night because I heard that the lights outside look really nice, but it was really windy and drizzly and cold, so maybe I'll do that when we stay across the street over at Terra Luna. And thanks to Theron, we got another video at night. I tried to look out the window at night, but I really couldn't see anything. And that was our stay at Stella Nova. Like I said, we've stayed at all the resorts at Universal. I'll link that playlist down below. And then we're gonna do a comparison of the one across the street and of course Helios when that opens inside Epic Universe. Helios also has How to Train Your Dragon rooms, and I really want to do that for Vanessa's birthday. She would go crazy. But you can see the Helios Hotel right here from the parking lot. And of course I gotta show this view too, just driving past it. It was so cool. Let us know if you have any other questions and comment down below what you would like to see. We'll be covering everything we can at Epic, especially all the food, all the rides, characters, and more. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more videos on our channel. Subscribe.
Click these videos next to see more value resorts around Universal Studios Florida. And like I said, the playlist down below has both premium and value resorts. One has express and one just has early park admission. Thank you for watching.